Hello dear students, today we are solving the ACET paper for the March examination. So if you have any questions, doubt or anything regarding the information regarding the ACET or CT level and free classes for this, so contact us here. So let's go to this question till 34 I guess I have done. So 35, the x is continuous random variable such that the probability density function fx equal to k into max 0 to this value, then k equal to what? So PDF is outside 20 to 25 range. Okay. So the interval the PDF takes the shape of an isosceles triangle with x-axis with the base 5 and height is 2.5k. Since the integral divided by the area under the PDF curve over the range, integral area over the range must be greater than 1, so we get the triangle as 1 by 5 1 by 2 half into base into 2.5k equal to 1, so k will give you 0.16 and our answer is 0.1635 is D. This year a lot of none of these have come. Okay. Next 36, a student tosses a fair coin 5 times if the number of heads is n. Then the student tosses a fair 6 times n square times adds up to this number, the expected number. Okay, so n equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 0. So this is 5 by 32, 5 by 16, 5 by 16, 5 by 32, 1 by 32 and 1 by 32. So the expected sum is 3.5, 14, 31.5, this is 56, 87.5 and this is 0. So expected number of die rolls is 5 divided by 32 into 3.5 plus dot 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 1 by 32 into 87.5. Make calculation and this will give you 26.25. Okay, so 36 answer is B.